Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our revision series continuously gravitational potential energy from chapter gravitation. We complete the full derivation of gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? It is the work, it is the amount of work done to bring a body from infinity to that point without changing its kinetic energy. Means it is that which the amount of work required to bring it from infinity to that point without changing its kinetic energy. It is that which in which amount of work required to bring it from infinity to that point without changing its kinetic energy, because means no loss of kinetic energy in moving this any object from infinity to that point. Suppose a body is placed at infinity initially, and we need to throw it earth at point r o. Now let earth to be the uniform sphere of mass is capital M and radius r. We need to find, we throw from this point through to infinity a body, an object at from point P, A and B. At point A to B, we calculate a small displacement, because first of all we find from O to P displacement or O to A, and next is A to B. So uh, let earth to be uniform sphere of mass capital M and radius r. The force, when we throw it from the gravitational field of earth to outside, it experiences a force of attraction is, so what is force of attraction? F is equals to g g m, capital M mass of earth, small m mass of body, divided by x square, because here it is a displacement x. Alright, it is equation number 1. Now we calculate is mole work done from point A to B. Work from A to B, which is small work done dx. So it is dw, is equals to f dx. The formula for working is force into displacement. Here force F, displacement small displacement dx. Now from equation first, dw is equals to g m upon x square dx. Now we write in bracket from equation 1. You write then here, we wrap this portion. Okay. Now we calculate the total work done from point O to point B. So this is dW is equals to gm upon x square dx. Now total work from infinity to r, infinity to r, what is the total work done? Now integrate, we do integrate integrating equation to with above limits. What is limits? Total work done infinity to r, these are the limits. Now integrate dw 0 to w is equals to integration r to infinity g m upon x square dx. Now g and m small n are constant in integration. Constant value come outside from integral sign. So this is, we do this in integration dw 0 to w limits, ये g m taken as common, and inside it is r to infinity 1 upon x square dx. Now we do the integration of x 1 upon x square. So how is it possible? How is it possible? We take x square in numerator. This is w 0 to w g m. It is x की power minus 2. Now we know that the formula of x की power n in integration, it is x की power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here w is equals to 0 to w, it is g m, it is x का 2 plus 1 ऐड हो जाएगी, एंड x की minus 2 plus 1 into dx, limits r to infinity and x is 1. So we know that here. So this is w minus upper limit minus lower limit. Now this is gm, it is x power minus 1 divided by minus 1 r to infinity. Now we take minus 1 outside common. 0 to w, which is w is equals to minus g m. Now we take this inverse x in denominator for positive sign of this power. It is x r to infinity w is equals to minus g m. Now change the limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. This is w is equals to minus g m upon r square. This here the infinity is approaches to 0, or you think that potential energy is equals to minus g m upon r. So this is, you note it down.